Catastrophic injury case is one where somebody's been horribly injured. Be it they have a traumatic brain injury, their pelvis is crushed, they've lost the ability to walk, they're paralyzed from the neck down. We've done it all here at Webster, Vigner, and McLeod, and those are the type of cases that we specialize in. If you're in a situation and been catastrophically injured by the negligence of another, it's important that you move quickly because evidence gets destroyed. Companies and insurance companies destroy evidence all the time. So it's very important that you move quickly to secure the scene, secure the evidence, and put everyone on notice that you've been hurt by someone else. The easiest way and the best way to do this is to hire a reputable firm like Webster, Vigner, McLeod to do all the things up front that need to be done in order for your case to be successful. I was going to see my sister, and we had just bought a new car, and we're driving down a farm to market road. It's a Sunday morning. I had my 3-year-old son in his car seat, and as we were coming, they ran a stop sign right out in front of me, and I hit them doing about 55 miles an hour. I couldn't stop. And it was one of the most terrible things that has ever happened to me. Even though it wasn't technically my fault what happened, I still felt a lot of blame because they were two 17-year-old kids who died in this accident. I tried to help them, but there was no helping them. It was such a terrible accident. How does that relate to the practice of law? I really understand from both sides what it means to lose someone or to be catastrophically injured because I've experienced the same thing personally. A catastrophic injury case is never a good situation. It's going to be a terrible time for the victims. It's going to be a terrible time for their family. It's going to be a terrible time for their caregivers because it's just hard. It's a hard situation to get over. These people have been injured very badly, and it takes time. We understand that, and we try to help the clients through that situation and try to get them some type of justice, some type of remuneration. It's more than just, hey, we're filing a lawsuit on your behalf, we're moving forward. We try to help you through all facets, including getting them treatment, doing things that they need to do to try to get their lives back on track. Truthfully, any lawyer that sits down and tells you what your case is worth at the point when they first sign you up doesn't really know what they're talking about. It usually takes about a year before we know what your lasting injuries are going to be versus what you can get over. And so it's very important that you have the right treatment, that we help you get the right treaters, that we help you get the right physical therapy, that we help you get the right counselors in order to get you as best as we can within that first year when you've been catastrophically injured. We take on catastrophically injured cases because that's what we do best. And it is truly the reason I love coming to work every day. When you've helped somebody that's been injured or assaulted or hurt by someone else, one of the greatest days is when the case is finished and they give you a hug and they say, "Thank you for helping me." They ask to take a picture with you, and they're really excited about how well a job you've done for them and their family. They know that their future is taken care of. It is really a fulfilling experience.